this lesson anyways. So once again, when we are working with lines, when the line goes this way from the left to the right on the graph, this is what we call a positive slope as it goes uphill. When the line is to go the other way, we will have a line, this line is to go downhill, and we have a negative slope in this case. These are the two major concepts for this lesson. Of course, there are times when you end up with zero slope and undefined slope, but we're going to take a look at those examples at a later time. For now, we are going to focus on positive slope and negative slope. To describe the slope of line, you want to measure the rate of change between this and that. Every line, whether it goes uphill or downhill, will give us a vertical change and a horizontal change. And to compare the slope, to describe the slope of a line, you want to compare the ratio between the vertical change and the horizontal change, or simply put, rise over run. So in this example here, example number 1, if I want to describe the slope of the line from point P to point Q, I can basically measure the vertical change of this line compared to its horizontal change of this line. This line going from point P to point Q goes up by 3 units. By counting the number of boxes on your graph, you'll be able to measure the rise and the run. And the slope in this case would simply be 3/6. Now, but there are times when people may pick 2 other points on your line, and that will still give us the same slope. Regardless of which 2 points you use, you want to reduce your answer if it is possible. We have a 3 and a 6, both of them are divisible by 3. So we will reduce the number to 1/2. And that means, doesn't matter which 2 points you are using on this line, you will end up with 1/2 for the slope. I can pick these 2 points to measure the slope. From this point to that point, it is going up by 1 unit. As you move across by 2 units, it go up by 1 unit as it go across by 2 units. So in this case, the slope will still be 1/2.